All right, y'all, we got example 2 coming up. We got to figure out the value of x that will make this equation true. We got to make both sides equal to 12. How are we going to do that? Well, let's get started here. So here we have a negative 2x plus 8 equals 12. Okay, now this is going to be a little bit spicy. Just a little, you know? So first, first and foremost, let's put the line down the middle here. This is the side with a variable, so that's a v. This is the sides with the numbers, so that's an n. Okay, now I need to, remember, we need to just make it 1x equals blank something. So how do we do that? Well, first I gotta get rid of this plus 8. We gotta make this a 0. So this time we minus 8 on both sides. Okay, so remember last time, oh, it deleted. Last time we had to do plus 10 because it was a minus 10, so we had to make that 0. This time is where we minus, oh, it deleted everything. This time it has to be a minus 8. Okay, minus 8, minus 8. Okay. So now 8 minus 8 is 0. 12 minus 8 is 4. So we get, this is negative 2x, by the way. Negative 2x equals 4. So don't forget the negative. Now, we are trying to figure out, as I wrote at the top here, what is 1x? Okay, so also if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video whenever you want, by the way. So I need to get 1x, which means, oh, I have to divide, obviously, as we've been doing, but divide by what? This would be divide by negative 2. Anything divided by itself is 1. So I have to divide by negative 2 to get me a positive 1x. So now we get 1x, because negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1, so we get 1x equals, now 4 divided by negative 2. Remember, same sign, so if I multiply a positive times a negative, so if they're different signs, a plus times a negative or a negative times a positive, it's always going to be negative. Same thing with division. If they're different signs, it'll always be negative. If they're same signs, it'll always be positive. So do you see how these are the same signs? So you gave me a positive 1. This is different signs, so I get a negative 2 as my answer. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 divided by negative 2 would be negative 2. So let's make sure that we're actually correct. This is a little funky. Probably haven't seen this one before. So we're going to do negative 2 for the check step. We're saying that x is negative 2. Right? We put parentheses to show that it's multiplication. So negative 2 times negative 2 plus 8 equals 12. Oh, what in the heck happened here? 12. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm just gonna put, what? Okay, guys, you get the idea. Sure. Okay, negative 2 times negative 2. Remember, same signs with multiplication or division gives me a positive number always. Same signs here. -2 times -2 is a +4. So I get 4 plus 8 equals 12. Okay, and now we get 12 equals 12. So we know that we are correct. Done. So what you would do is you go back, and our answer here is -2. And that is what we put. Alright, now the rest you're going to have independent practice. So you're going to go ahead and get started on that. If you need help, you can watch a video. Good luck, and you got this.